Yo, what is good, guys? It's your boy Mikasa here, and in this video I'm about to use ChatGPT, and I'm about to ask him to give us some kind of a melodies. And yeah, I already created some here, so I'm just going to guys give you some directions and maybe some tips on how you can use this ChatGPT and convert it into some cool melodies, and at the end of the day, some cool beats. So guys, as you can see what I did here, I asked a simple prompt here for a ChatGPT. I asked like, can you write me a simple chord progression inspired by Drake's song God's Plan? I just I did that, like you can for example use any other artist, any other maybe a different song, right? Then ChatGPT is going to give us some information, and apparently he gave us the chord progression. About also guys give you some tips about how you can copy this chord progression into your DAW. Okay, and then I asked him, I need you to write me a simple chord progression for piano. I try to use some kind of a melodic chords for a trap beat. So I also gave him that it's a trap beat to make something melodic. And then he gave us another chord progression here. As you can see, ChatGPT always explains something here. As you can see as well, we can see some more information, more details here about the progression, how it's going on and stuff like that. So guys, I used this. Of course, I changed it a little bit more. But what you can do now, for example, if you are struggling with the melodies or something like that, for example, you can always, maybe learn from this as well. But for example, if you are struggling, if you don't know what is E minor chord, for example, you can just type here in the Google, it's simple, type E, as you can guys see, E minor chord piano. That's it. Then you go to the pictures, and then you can see how that uh, piano chord, how that chord looks on piano. And then you can just basically remember, or a screenshot, or just move it to another screen, whatever, this chord progression, and then you can just use your DAW. In this case, I'm using guys FL Studio, and you can just go to your piano roll and then just copy the same notes as you can guys see on the picture, which is super crazy, super easy. And basically that is some kind of ways that you can start practicing the melodies and chords and beats after all. And then you can do this for every type, like C minor, I just copy chord piano as well, you can get this. Or if you are FL user, for FL users, we have a very cool shortcut. You can just click here on the stamp, this little button here, click here, and then you have old chords already made. So what you need to do, you can just pick the chord that you are looking for, click here, do this, paste it whatever you want, and that's it. It's really simple, but it's also a cool way to start with it. Okay guys, so now this is how this chords sounds like. Of course, I just changed, I think, the middle one here, this one, a very simple one. Very cool one, I like it. So I decided just to go with this simple chord progression here, guys. I just start with the basics. Of course, guys, you can maybe we can even ask ChatGPT to add counter melodies, but I just want to guys show this introduction, some kind of a beginner's introduction. Okay, I just want to make this make this melody underwater effect, like Drake's. Okay, I'm about to put it on the channel rack 5. Use the EQ here, Pro EQ2. I'm just going to presets and use this one, 40, like this. Just like this, I just cut the high. Just like this. Just like this, we got super sauce for the melodies. Now, as you can guys see, I also asked ChatGPT, can you tell me, for example, I'm not sure if you are learning the melodies, scales, and a music theory. I just asked him can you tell me what is the right key and scale for these chords? And then he probably again explained me doesn't strictly adhere to a single key or scale, as it includes chords that are not that turning to a practical key. So ChatGPT explained us. We are about to guys use more this ChatGPT, bro, like, you know, to give us some more information, like even for the beginners and for the advanced users. But also ChatGPT explained us something as well here. Also, but I can ask him, for example, can you give me some uh, notes that could be good for a contour melody? Let's see what's he about to. Okay, we got some like notes: E, F sharp, G, A. Here's a simple suggestion for a contour melody. This is just one example. So this is what already ChatGPT told us. Maybe now I can ask him like to make a contour melody based on these chords. You know, like can you write me a chord progression to be like contour melody inspired by these chords. I gave him this. Let's see what he is about to give us. Okay, he just gave us something, so we can maybe test it out later. Now I just want to like put some drums here, and let's see how this beat will sound. I'm just going to put some like simple trap sounds. So I'm about to start for the heads first. Just like this. Let's go with a clap here. Ooh, these kicks are too hard here. So let's maybe start with something simple here with a kick. I like this. I really like this one. Even though it sounds very simple, but super cool. Now we can also upgrade this beat like as much we want with the contour melodies, with maybe some vocal chops as you like it. Now let's add maybe some counter percussion. Maybe something like this. Let's add some bass here. Simple as that, guys. We made super crazy beat. Like these sounds will be enough. Of course we can add some more sounds, but this one is gonna be enough. Let's play by channel, make some introduction here, and let's hear the beat. Like a simple beat, but still kicking hard. Let's hear it. I'm just going to skip like a not too long intro, like just to have some information about the beat. That's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this beat, this video. As you can guys see, very simple ways. I'm about to, guys, if you want maybe to for me like to continue this series, we're about to use more prompts here. I'm about to also guys give you some prompts here as well for this ChatGPT, so you can maybe start learning some new melodies. Okay guys, that's gonna be it guys for today. I appreciate you guys that you watch this video. Make sure guys to hit that subscribe, like, share button. Let me know guys if you have any ideas for the future upcoming videos. And yeah guys, stay guys hard, and I'm about to see you in the next video. Peace.